Do you want to learn how to make your phone appear on your screen just like this? Worry no more. By the end of this video, you'll be able to edit your video to appear on your screen just like this.
Okay guys, first you have to go to whatever it is you want to screen record. Okay, for the sake of this video, I'm screen recording my YouTube studio. Okay, so after you have done your screen record, okay, all you have to do is to save it to your phone gallery. Here is mine. I've actually saved mine to my phone gallery. So now we'll head on back to CapCut. Okay, now on CapCut, I'm going to play this video, then let me play this video so you can hear.
Do you want to learn how to make your phone appear on your screen just like this?
Okay, just where I'm about to bring out my hand, now I'll click on overlay. Okay, now I will add a picture, the video I want to overlay, right? The video I screen recorded. Okay, I'm going to add it to the page. Fine. Yes, it's like this is the screen record I did. Now the second thing you want to do is to download a phone screen outline, probably from Pinterest or Google. Okay, it's a free image, you can actually download it anywhere. So now I'm going to click on overlay again to add that screen that I downloaded. I'm going to use this one, then I'll add it to my page. Oh my, I'm sorry guys, let me quickly remove the background of this. Let me head on back to my photo. I don't know it has background, I just downloaded it. So now I'm going to copy this image. This is not copying. Let me go back to Google. I'm sure this one has background as well. So guys, please, if you want to download yours, look for the one that has no background. Okay, or I'll go to background remover. I don't have it on my iPhone. Okay, I have it. Let me know the photo. Let me this one. Okay, let me click on done. Yes, done. Let me save it. Okay, so it will have saved my profile. Okay, did you do anything? Let me go back to CapCut. Okay. Okay, now I have removed the background. Okay, now what I'm going to do is to resize this background. All I have to do is to click on, let me click on the image. Okay, then I'll click on transform, then I'll click on resize. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to resize this. Okay, you have to carefully do it so you're not going over resize. I think I'm fine like this. So guys, you can see it, I have it on my screen now, so it's going to play. Then all I have to do is to drag the case, okay, to the ending of the video. Okay, this is too long for the sake of this video. Let me cut it. Let me cut it here. Let me cut it because of this video. I don't want it too long. Split and delete. So now I have it on my screen. Let me play the video for you again to see.
Do you want to learn how to make your phone appear on your screen just like this? Worry no
You
more.
take a
By
screen
the end
record
of
of
this
whatever
video,
it is you want to
you'll be
display on
able
your
to
screen. Okay guys, I'm so sorry I didn't say this. If after you have actually overlaid your video and your phone frame, all you have to do is to click on the video, on that particular video you're overlaying. You click on the volume to bring it back down to lowest, so it will not affect your recording. Okay, it will not affect the video playing at the background. Okay, it's just as simple as that. So now,
worry no more. By the end of this video, you'll be able to edit your video to appear on your screen just like
and
this.
there you have it. That's how your phone will actually appear on the screen. So now if I want to use this particular video I'm using for my overlay, all I have to do is to, let me bring this here. I want to move this here, then move this here too. So okay, so what I'm going to do is to click on overlay again, then I'll look for the video. This is it. I'll add it to my, I'll resize it with my hand, use your two hand to bring it, to pinch it like this. I mean to adjust it like this. Okay, I still need a little adjustment. Then I will add overlay again to overlay the phone frame. to it. So now I'm going to rotate this. Okay, click on this thing again, transform. Let's transform. Okay, then I'll rotate this. Okay, no, I want it like this. Yes, I want it like that. So I'm going to resize. Let me use the opportunity to resize it at once. Okay, and you can actually duplicate it after you have actually resized it once. You can always duplicate it. That's what I'm supposed to do. Okay, okay, this is okay. Now let me look for the video. Let me bring it to the video. So I'll bring the frame here to where my video is. Okay, all you have to do is just for you to make it you have to outline it so it will not be obvious. Okay, now let me place this. Remember what I said, always reduce the volume of your overlay so it will not affect the main video.
Edit your video to appear on your screen.
So now I notice that the phone frame is too big. Okay, now I'm going to use my hand to adjust it so it will be the same length. Let me click on my video. So all you have to do is just to edit it. Okay, is to adjust it by yourself. Now this has perfectly fit into the frame. So let me play it so you can see what you have done.
Just like
so this is how you actually do this. Okay, this is how you make your phone appear to the screen. I hope you enjoy watching this. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.